Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ginger toffee at home. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of freshly grated ginger for that perfect zing. Before you start cooking, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or a silicone mat. This will make removing your toffee much easier later on. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your sugar, butter, and water. Stir this mixture constantly over medium heat until all the sugar has fully dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and insert a candy thermometer. Continue to cook the mixture without stirring until it reaches a temperature of 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. This precise temperature is key for perfect toffee. As soon as your toffee mixture hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the saucepan from the heat immediately. This is a crucial step to prevent burning. Quickly but carefully stir in the 2 tablespoons of fresh grated ginger. The aroma will be incredible. Then, pour the hot toffee evenly onto your prepared baking sheet. Work quickly, as the toffee will begin to set as it cools. Spread it thinly for a crisp texture. Let your ginger toffee cool completely on the baking sheet. This usually takes at least 30 minutes, or you can speed it up in the refrigerator. Once it's fully firm and brittle, you can easily break it into delicious, bite-sized pieces. Store your homemade ginger toffee in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. It's a fantastic treat or gift. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.